To embroider triangular feather stitch, mark 4 guiding lines and start with a simple feather stitch. Make 2 V-shaped stitches from right to the left and going from top downwards. After the second stitch is secured, instead of making a simple V-stitch, make a closed feather stitch. It will form a triangle on the right side of the band. From here, repeat the sequence. First make 2 feather stitches from right to left, and then add a triangle, making a closed feather stitch to the right. After the entire band is finished, you can finish with a triangle or with the feather stitches. Here's how the backside of the triangular feather stitch looks like.